and hold down Shift to make the line straight. And I usually just go with a simple spiral shape here. You have to make sure your maze is large enough for your character to fit through. So that is important. I think I want to take off this top line here. There we go. And this is our backdrop. And we're going to create a new sprite. And we're just going to create one for a finish line. And you can do that by, you can have your character, whatever you want your character to reach at the end, will be your finish line here. In my example, I'm going to use some cheesy puffs because they're great. And we can also size these down as well. You go to costumes. Size everybody down. There we go. Go back to scripts. I'm going to move this right here. And now as you notice, there are no scripts here, but this is because we are selected on our cheesy puffs. And go back to our first sprite here. And we're going to add in our next code block here, which is a forever. Actually, this one doesn't need a forever. This one just needs an if-then statement. If touching cheesy puffs, so we're going to use this top one there. If we're touching cheesy puffs, you're going to say you won. That's our goal. All right. Next, we're going to go to, we're going to make one other statement, because if we hit the screen here, our character can move through walls magically. So let's start again. So we do need a loop here around this guy, or else the code will not initialize. So you want to have that forever loop there too. So in order to fix this, stop our code here, pull our character back to the beginning. There are two ways. What we're going to do is we're simply going to bounce the character back to the beginning if they touch that, which will be very frustrating for the users, but will make the game ultimately more fun. So we're going to say when this is clicked, control, forever, if touching color black, and this will just allow us to select the color here. Select the color of the line. we're going to say motion go to, and this go to X and Y position is actually the position of the character as it is right now. So you want to make sure you have that set to go to the beginning. All right. Now if we start our code, anytime you touch the black line, oh, I can't cheat. Takes you right back to the beginning. And that's it. That's our code here. So what you want to do, once your code is completed, is try playing your game, and you can adjust the controls to where you want them. Right now my character is relatively slow, so I could speed up that movement speed here. And you just want to make sure that the end goal is possible. I have a really narrow area here, so I just want to make sure my character can fit. Doesn't look like he can. So I can go back to the stage, backdrops, and erase a little bit there. You want to make sure the game is winnable. You don't want to make an unwinnable game. However hard you make it, you want to make it possible to win. All right? So there you have it. Your very first Scratch game. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to Share. And you can share your project. And then what you want to do is you can copy this URL, and that's going to be the URL for your project. As long as you have it shared, anyone should be able to view it. All right? So if you have any questions, let me know.